Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into the UK's massive bet on its own future, a multi-billion-pound gamble that artificial intelligence is the key to keeping it at the very front of global science and technology. We're going to break down their ambitious plan. So, at the heart of all this is the first ever AI strategy from UK Research and Innovation, or UKRI for short. Now, you should think of this less like some dry government document and more like a detailed blueprint for weaving AI into the very fabric of the nation. We're talking everything from healthcare and public services to the entire economy. And here's the number that really makes you sit up and pay attention. The strategy is backed by a record £1.6 billion in direct funding for AI by 2030. To put that into perspective, this makes AI the single largest investment area for UKRI, the nation's main research funder. It's a huge signal of just how central AI is to the UK's future. And this isn't just about throwing money at a problem. As this quote highlights, it's a strategic commitment coming right from the highest levels of government. The goal is crystal clear. Take the UK's deep historical expertise in AI and turn that potential into real, world-leading innovations. So, with £1.6 billion on the table, what's the actual plan? I mean, how does a massive investment like that translate into a national strategy that actually works? Let's break down the blueprint. The whole operation is being orchestrated by UKRI. As the UK's largest public research funder, they're in the perfect position to direct this funding effectively across universities, businesses, and research institutions. And believe it or not, this is their first ever comprehensive plan aimed specifically at AI. The strategy is built around 6 key pillars, which creates this really holistic approach. It's not just about writing better code. It covers the whole shebang, everything from advancing the core technology and building world-class infrastructure to developing the next generation of AI talent, and, this is a big one, making sure all of this is done in a responsible and trustworthy way. It really is a comprehensive vision. And this investment isn't just about some far-off future. UKRI-backed AI is already making a tangible difference in everyday life across the country. Let's look at a couple of incredible examples right now. Anyone who's ever traveled by train knows the frustration of unexpected delays. Well, a world-leading AI system called Radar is revolutionizing railway safety by using AI to spot tiny faults in overhead power lines in real time. This lets them get fixed before they can cause major disruption. It's a practical, powerful application of AI in action. And then you look at healthcare, and the impact is profound. The IXI Brain Atlas uses AI to analyze brain scans with microscopic precision, identifying over 150 different structures. It's already being used in over 40 clinical trials to help detect the absolute earliest signs of diseases like Alzheimer's. Just think about the power of that, catching a devastating disease years, maybe even decades earlier than we can today. That's the kind of profound impact we're talking about. Now, a crucial question is, why is the UK so well positioned to lead this charge? This huge bet isn't being made in a vacuum. The answer lies deep in the country's history of innovation. This quote just nails it. The modern AI strategy is built on a formidable foundation. We're talking about a legacy that stretches all the way back to pioneers like Alan Turing and Ada Lovelace, creating a world-class tradition in the very fields that underpin AI. The goal now is simple: turn that historic excellence into a decisive national advantage for the 21st century. So, building on that amazing legacy, let's look ahead. How is this strategy specifically designed to shape the UK's future economy and its entire scientific landscape? Well, the plan focuses on 2 critical connected areas. On one hand, it's all about investing in people, creating clear career paths for the high-paying jobs of the future, like data scientists and AI ethics specialists. On the other, it's about giving those brilliant people the absolute best tools and infrastructure to work with. A perfect example of this is the £36 million upgrade to the Dawn supercomputer at Cambridge. More power means faster processing. Imagine a calculation that might take a normal computer a year to solve. Dawn can do it in a fraction of that time. This massive acceleration will directly lead to faster breakthroughs in some of our biggest challenges, from discovering new drugs to modeling climate change. And crucially, this strategy is designed to benefit the entire country. It's not just about concentrating talent in London. By actively supporting the growth of regional AI clusters, the plan aims to turn world-class science into local economic advantage, creating high-paying jobs and fostering balanced growth from Scotland to the southwest. So this leaves us with a final thought. By combining its historic strength in computing with a record level of investment, the UK is positioning itself not just to participate in the AI revolution, but to lead it. The only question now is, what breakthrough will be next to change our world?